In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI on WhatsApp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Perplexity account to find the WhatsApp option and what to expect depending on your plan. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this in your browser or the mobile app. Just make sure you're signed in so you can access your settings. If you already use Perplexity, you're good to go. If not, simply get into your account so the rest of the options are available. Next, head to Settings. You'll usually find the Settings area by clicking your profile icon or your initials in the corner of the screen. This is the control center for your account preferences, privacy, and any integrations you might want to enable. Inside Settings, select Account. The Account section is where Perplexity groups your subscription details and the tools that connect Perplexity to other platforms. It's designed to keep everything you manage about your plan and add-ons in one place. Now, click Connectors. Connectors are Perplexity's way of linking your account to external services so you can use Perplexity in the places you already spend time. It streamlines your workflow by moving the AI into your favorite apps instead of making you switch back and forth. If you're a Pro subscriber, this is where you'll see the WhatsApp option. You'll find WhatsApp listed among the available connectors. All you need to do is click the link or button provided. This will open a WhatsApp prompt, typically launching WhatsApp on your phone or web, depending on what you're using, and it will guide you to authorize the connection. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm, and you'll be connected. After that, you can start a chat with Perplexity in WhatsApp and use it just like you would in the main app, asking questions and getting answers without leaving your messaging app. If you're not using Pro, the WhatsApp connector won't appear in the connectors list. That's expected behavior. In that case, there isn't anything to click here because the WhatsApp option is only visible to Pro users. You can still explore other parts of your account or use Perplexity in the main app or browser, but the WhatsApp integration itself won't show up under connectors unless your plan includes it. That's the full walkthrough. Open your Perplexity account, go to Settings, select Account, open Connectors, and, if you're on Pro, choose WhatsApp and click the link to connect. Keep these steps handy and you'll be chatting with Perplexity in WhatsApp in no time.